Hello everyone. We are going to take a quick look at how to make a reservation on your club's reservation system. When you go to your club's website, they will have you click a link that will take you to this page, which is your personal reservations profile page. Right now we're looking at my reservation profile page, and you will see your ACBL number up here. And then you will see other data that is in your profile, your email address, your phone, your ACBL number, and your master points. One of the first things that you will notice, if you currently have a reservation, your upcoming reservation will show here in red. Currently, my next reservation is scheduled for March 18th, a Monday afternoon regular game with Jay Whipple. The way I can check to see if I have other reservations is to click on the down arrow in the reservations date window pane. That will show me that I have a reservation on March 18th and a reservation on April 17th. You can also see on what date both of those reservations were made, which happens to be February 24th. The second place where you can see your current reservations is by clicking on the Reservations to Cancel window pane, and there you will see all of your current reservations. Let's go ahead and make a reservation. So the first thing we do is select a reservation date. Here, this will show you any available dates, or if your club has limited space, any dates that are already full. I would like to make a reservation on April 3rd, so I'm going to choose that date. And then I have to reserve a partner. So I go to Reserve, Modify, or Find Partner. I click that link. It will take a second to process, and then this line will come up. Here you can see the date for which you're reserving. Then you can search for a partner by first name or last name. I'm going to click this button because I want to search by last name, and you start typing. And there is Jay Whipple. So I will choose Jay. Then you can choose the session that you want to play in, the type of game if there are options, whether you want to reserve north, south, or east, west, or don't care, and whether or not this will be a recurring reservation for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, or not at all. This will not be recurring for me, so I will leave that as it is, and then hit submit. Your request will process, and then it will come up and show you down here in red, your reservation with Jay Whipple is confirmed. That was pretty simple. Now down here in black, it will show you what games for your club already are full and have wait lists. This list does not mean that you are currently waitlisted. It is just showing you the games that are full at your club currently and the number of pairs that are already on the wait list for each of those games. I want to play on March 20th. It actually doesn't look that bad. There are only 3 pairs on the wait list, so I'm going to go ahead and make a reservation for that date and just get my name on the wait list. So I will again select a reservation date, March 20th. Find a partner. This time I'll search by first name. Here's Jay Whipple. Again, I'm in the afternoon session, regular game, don't care which direction, and I hit submit. Again, here is my confirmation that my reservation has been received, and it tells me that I am now on the wait list for the March 20th game. If that wait list game that you just reserved happens to be the next game that you are playing, the reservation will show up here in red, and it will also show you the number that you are on the wait list. So this has been so much fun. I'm going to make one more reservation. Let's reserve March 25th. So I select March 25th. Once more, I choose Find a Partner. Let's search by last name again this time. Oh no. This shows me, because of the 3 asterisks in the front and this verbiage, it shows me that Jay has already made a reservation for this date with someone else. So he is not available to play with me that day. So let's choose a different date. To get back to a clean screen, I'm going to hit submit here next to my ACBL number. I'm again going to the reservation date selection. I'm going to go down here actually and choose May 1st. I don't think Jay has any reservations that far out. Click Find a Partner. Search by first name. There is Jay. He looks open. Submit. And my reservation for May 1st is now confirmed. So what happens if I want to cancel a game? This is the line that you use for canceling a reservation. Please be very careful that you do not use this line to try to make a reservation. This is for canceling only. If you do in fact use this with the intent of making a game, you will end up canceling it by mistake, and then no one is going to be very happy. So make sure that this line is used very carefully for cancellations only. So I've decided that I'm not going to be here on May 1st, and now I have to cancel this reservation with Jay. So I click on that date. I confirm that I want to cancel this date so that I'm not making a mistake. Yes, May 1st is the date I want to cancel, and I hit submit. Again, the request processes. Once it processes, as you see, the screen will clear. After you cancel a reservation, you will receive an email confirming that cancellation. Here is an email from a previously canceled reservation. I canceled a date on March 6th. This is what the email will look like when you do cancel a reservation. Your partner will also get a copy of the email. There are a few other fun little features. Here, the next game at the Boca Grande Duplicate Bridge Club is February 25th, Monday. If you click the down arrow on this, it will show you all the reservations that have been made for that game, the partners that have reserved for the limited game and the regular game. So you can see who's playing in the next game that's coming up at the club. If you want to check who is reserved for a different date, you go into the reservation date. And let's say we want to see who's playing in the game on April 10th. So we're going to select that date, click Reserve Modifier Find Partner, and instead of actually typing in a name, you type in 3 stars or asterisks. This will show you the names of the people who already have reservations for that game. And there you go, and you have all that information available to you. You will also notice that up here under the Member Profile tab, you will see the FAQ. If you click on that button, that will take you to a series of frequently asked questions, both as a player and for the directors for the club. And I'm going to hit the submit button, come up with a clean screen. Now, at the end of all of that reservation making and canceling, what is left? Well, my next game, as it shows, is on March 18th. I can click here and I can see that I have that reservation. I also have a reservation for March 20th. It will show me that I am waitlisted, WL, waitlist. We are number 4 on the waitlist. I have a reservation for April 3rd and a reservation for April 17th. And there you have it. So I hope this helps explain how to use the reservation system. If you have any other questions, I'm sure that your club director will be able to help you with them, or you can always send a question to us here at The Common Game. Just send an email to help@thecommongame and we will try to help you. Good luck at the tables.